In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide files in OneDrive. Navigating your digital life can sometimes feel like a daunting task, especially when it comes to keeping files secure. That's why OneDrive has a handy feature to help protect your most sensitive data, called the Personal Vault. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring your important documents stay safe and sound. First, you'll want to open your OneDrive account and find your way to the My Files section. This is the starting point for managing all your documents, photos, and other stored files. Once you're there, you'll notice various folders and options, helping you organize and access your data efficiently. The next action is to open the Personal Vault, a special area secured by additional layers of identity verification. This feature adds an extra step to keep your files shielded from unwanted access, making it perfect for storing confidential information. Before you can start using the Personal Vault, you'll need to complete the required identity verification. This additional step may seem like a hassle, but it's a crucial measure to ensure that only you, and nobody else, can open the vault. You'll likely receive a prompt to verify your identity, which could involve entering a code sent to your email or phone. This process assures that no unauthorized users or prying eyes can peek into your protected files. Once inside, the next step is to move or copy the files you wish to protect into the Personal Vault. To do this, simply select the files or folders that hold importance for you. This might be anything from personal documents and financial information to sensitive photos. When you've selected the files, you'll have options like Move To or Copy To, which you can use to transfer your chosen files directly into the Personal Vault. This ensures they are placed in a secure environment, protected by the extra layer of verification. After you've successfully moved or copied your files into the vault, it's important to lock the Personal Vault when you're finished. Locking the vault provides one final security barrier, preventing unauthorized access. Typically, the vault will lock automatically after a period of inactivity to add an additional layer of security. However, you can manually lock it as soon as you're done. This straightforward action will give you peace of mind knowing that your sensitive files are well protected. And there you have it. Hiding your files in OneDrive using the Personal Vault is a simple yet effective way to enhance your digital security. Hopefully these steps help you confidently manage your files, ensuring they're secured against any threats. Remember, taking a few extra minutes to secure your data can save you from headaches down the road. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.